Hello children, this is for class 6, subject science, book NCERT book, chapter 1, 1.2 photosynthesis topic. Let us move to the topic. Hello children, yesterday we have seen about autotrophs and heterotrophs. Today we will discuss about food making process in plants. Already we know plants do not depend other organisms for food, right? That can prepare their own food, isn't it? Yes. So which part is known as food factory of the plant? Yes, you are exactly correct, children. Leaves are the food factory or kitchen of the plant. Because why? The leaf is the part of the plant that produce or prepare the food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. Children, do you heard this word already? Yes. So I will tell you what is mean by photo, what is mean by synthesis. Photo means what? Light. Synthesis means what? To combine together. Right? So this is the food making process by plant. Right? Food making process in plant is called photosynthesis. Right, children? Okay. Next question. Why leaves of the plants are green color? What is the reason? The leaf has chlorophyll, right? Yes, because of chlorophyll, plant leaves are green in color. Okay, that chlorophyll pigment gives the green color to the plant. So this chlorophyll only absorb the sunlight which help the leaves prepare food for the plant, right? Chlorophyll makes food for the plant using the raw materials like carbon dioxide, water minerals and air. So these are the things the leaves put together and prepare the food for plant in the presence of sunlight, right? And chlorophyll absorb the sunlight. So all the products, all the raw ingredients combine together and leaves prepare food for the plants. Okay children? How does plant absorb water and minerals? Yes, plants absorb water and minerals by the roots. The root have root hair. The root hair increase the surface area of the root for the absorption of water and the mineral nutrients that dissolved in water. Okay, which absorb the minerals and nutrients? The roots. Can you guess how water moves from the root to the leaves? Yeah, plants have tube-like vessels that transport water and nutrients from the soil, right? How does plants absorb air? Carbon dioxide from air is taken in through the tiny pores present on the surface of leaves. Plant leaves having small openings called stomata over their surfaces, right? The stomata open to absorb the carbon dioxide needed to perform a photosynthesis process, and also that pores release the oxygen. So while it preparing the food, the plant need carbon dioxide. After completing the process, the plant release the oxygen through the pores. Okay, that pores what we call stomata, right? Okay. Next, see children, what is photosynthesis? So leaves of the plant absorb solar energy from sunlight to convert water and mineral salts into sugar and release oxygen and starch sugars, right? This process is called photosynthesis. Okay. The raw materials needed for photosynthesis: water and minerals, chlorophyll pigment, carbon dioxide and solar energy. And the leaves contain chlorophyll that helps to absorb the solar energy. Okay, so these are the raw materials needed for preparing food for the plants. And what is photosynthesis? So leaves of the plant absorb solar energy from the sunlight and to convert water and carbon dioxide to sugar and release oxygen. What it release? Oxygen. It need carbon dioxide to prepare food, and after the process completing, the spores of the leaves release the oxygen. Okay, this process is called photosynthesis. Thank you, children. Let us see next class.